Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to send the handwritten message on iPhone. So here you can see I already sent one handwritten message. So let me show you how to do this one. First of all, open the message application. Then you can create a new conversation, otherwise open a existing conversation. So the main thing, you need to rotate your iPhone to landscape orientation. So here I already enabled the landscape orientation. So let me show you. Then rotate your device like this. Now try to type a message. For this, tap on this button. So here you can see one R button, you can see here, right? Tap on this one. So here you can select any the default some words you can see here. Hello, thank you, happy birthday, congratulations, thanking of you, I'm sorry, awesome, something you can see here. So if you want to write any message, then you can write the message here. So here I am going to write the message. Hi, how you. Now tap on done. You can see. Now send this one. So let me show you. You can see. Okay. So again I will show you. If you want to send the default, the inbuilt messages, then you can select any one from here. Tap on done. Send. So you can see. It's very simple. So simply in this way you can send the handwritten message on iPhone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.